This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside your running Minecraft session. Pause the game with ESC, then choose Options and immediately open Accessibility Settings. This is where the talking voice lives. Make sure you're on the profile or world where you hear the voice so changes apply. If you have multiple versions, confirm Bedrock versus Java before changing settings, because labels are the same but controls might differ. Once you're in Accessibility, you're ready for the actual toggle step coming next. You'll now turn the narrator off. Locate the narrator option inside Accessibility. On some platforms, it's a drop-down, on others a toggle. Set it explicitly to off, not chat or system, because those still speak certain messages. Once set, press Done or back out of menus to save the change. Make sure to test by triggering an in-game chat or system message. The voice should not speak. If you still hear speech, repeat the step and check any platform-specific hotkeys that might re-enable narrator. Finish by restarting the world or the Minecraft client. This clears lingering audio. If speech persists, inspect your operating system's text-to-speech or narrator accessibility. Windows Narrator or Mac OS VoiceOver can speak independent of the game. Also verify server-side plugins or mods that announce messages, disable or configure them accordingly. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle narrator off, then off again, and restart the game. This reset often clears stuck states and ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.